Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing great. Another video on the chapter of percentages, exercise 8A question number 12. This is a very interesting question in order to understand the concept of percentages. Okay, here you are given with a word problem related to a company. A company had 12,000 employees. So the very first thing that is given to you is the quantity of employees or the number of employees. Okay, so I can write total employees equals to 12,000. This is the first and the most important information that is given to us. Now, during the financial crisis in 2008, 2.5% of them were retrenched. The very first thing there, maybe due to any reason, the company went through financial crisis, due to which there became some kind of changes in the company. The company did something with their employees. And what is that? Out of 12,000, 2.5 employees were retrenched. Retrenched means that their salaries are detected, or we can say that they are going to get less salaries than before. Let's suppose if one employee had a salary of 50,000, and when it is retrenched, it means that his salary is going to be deducted, or we can say that now the scale of the salary is moved to, let's suppose, 35,000. So the salary is decreased. So this is what we call retrenched, that the salary of the employees were decreased. So how many employees were affected? 2.5. So the first thing that is, due to the financial crisis, there were retrenched employees. We can say retrenched employees or the employees that were retrenched. Okay, so they were 2.5% out of 12,000. Now, the second thing, that 50.75% of them had a pay cut. The second thing, that the employees that had pay cut. So we can say that pay cut employees equals to 50.75%. Okay, so we are given two percentages of employees, retrenched employees and pay cut employees. Now the third category is the rest were unaffected. So the third one is unaffected employees. But we have not given the percentage of unaffected employees. We don't know exactly how many employees were unaffected. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to find out the percentage of unaffected employees with the help of these two percentages. We know that the employees are divided into three categories. First of all, retrenched employees, then pay cut employees, and then unaffected employees. We have given the percentages of two of them, and we don't know the percentage of unaffected employees. But what actually is needed from us? We have to find out, look at the question, find the number of employees who were unaffected. So there is going to be two steps of this question. In the first step, you need to find out the percentage. Step 1, you have to find out percentage of unaffected employee. And after finding out the percentage, the second step would be finding the exact number of unaffected employees, the quantity, right? So first step, in the first step, what you need to do, you know that the total employees are 100%. And if I subtract the employees that are retrenched, that is 2.5%. And if I subtract pay cut employees, that is 50.75%. If I subtract both the employees from 100, that were the total employees, so I am going to get the percentage of unaffected employees. So I can write percentage of unaffected employees equals to 100%, minus 2.5%, and minus 50.75%. I have subtracted both the given percentages from 100. Why? Because 100 was my total percentage. So after doing it, it will be 100 minus 2.5 is 97.5 minus 50.75. So when you are going to subtract 97.5 minus 50.75, you are going to get 50.75. It means it will be 46.75. You have to subtract it, right? So it will be 56.75. This is going to be the percentage of unaffected employees. Now you have calculated the percentage. The second step is you have to calculate the exact number of unaffected employees. So in order to get the number of unaffected employees, we have to use this percentage. Number of affected employees equals to 46.75% of 12,000 employees. Okay, keep in mind the total employees are 12,000 employees. So out of 12,000 employees, the percentage of unaffected employee is 46.75%. So when you have written it like this, now just calculate it. You have 46.75 divided with 100 in order to remove this percentage sign. Then this off will be replaced by multiplication sign, and then you will write 12,000. That is the total number of employees. Now in order to solve it, let me write 1 in the denominator. 100 ones are 100 and 100 120s are 120,000. So it is 46.75 divided by 1 multiplied by 120 upon 1. Now just multiply 46.75 with 120 and get the answer. So 46.75 multiplied by 120, I'm doing it directly, it will be 5610. Okay, these are the unaffected employees, the exact number of unaffected employees. So in this way, we have find it out with the help of percentage. First of all, in first step, you have find out the percentage of unaffected employees by subtracting both the given percentages from 100. And then you have calculated the quantity, exact number of unaffected employees by using that calculated percentage. This percentage is basically related to 12,000 employees. So this statement is very important. You have to just have a look, or you have to understand this particular statement that I have written in order to find out the number of unaffected employees. Okay, this is 46.75% of 12,000 employees. This is the very important step. When you know that how you can write it, you can easily calculate the answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. This was the solution of question number 12. Okay, I hope you have got it. Now, if you have any questions, you can comment below. In the next video, I'm going to do question number 13 of this exercise. So stay tuned, stay connected, take care.